Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri rang ba kajala ukon rat kongkol sangma haka nyotrik we yong arajar person ula Pynbha ban aji ngarap bisa khasan Klur tingka nak banta mengkersa ne Seng Khasi kemi pantai ke Indigenous Cultural Center Hamokar yakani ukon rat la Pynbha hadiam belakot ke jingshat suk mensiap kapalai sengi hamadan waking pelong dak Seng Khasi seng kemi ukon rat uloong bak Indigenous Cultural Center Hamokar kandai ka projek thamai henry kindan ru ki kampen thamai pak yakani ka projek onte tak pencong nang Pynbha hak teknologi kat kum kajuk pemerintah.
Yes, as we have always stated that the cultural aspect of our traditions needs to be preserved and needs to be promoted, and it is in line with that thought process that we are having the Indigenous Cultural Center. Approximately about 15 crores has been sanctioned for it, and by next month we should be laying the foundation. We thought we'll late this month itself, but as we all know that April is not a very auspicious month, and so we'll be doing it in the month of May. But we're very happy. It's been a long pending demand from our community of the Seng Khasi to have this cultural center, and I'm happy that finally we're able to do this. And it's not just here. For many other communities, we are supporting and putting up different cultural centers, from larger ones to even a small centers. Like recently I was in Karbi area, and there also I have announced 50 lakhs for their cultural center. I have given the Raba community also, the Koch, Hajong community. So different communities that are there which are working towards preserving their culture. The government is more than happy to support and work with them in their endeavor to preserve the culture of the people of our state.
Also, the building will be renovated?
No, this is a new project altogether. There may be some parts of renovation also, but this is a new project altogether. We want it to be very interactive. We want it to be very technology based. So I hope that it will become a good project. But at the same time, I have my personal opinion is that even this field, the wedding field, has to be also renovated. I feel that this has got its own significance, and a lot of tourists are coming here. So therefore, the sitting areas can be easily expanded, and more space can be created for the people who are participating in the dance. And so this is again something that I'm very keen to work on, and I will be speaking to the members in the organizing committee to help us and work together so that we can improve the overall infrastructure here in this wedding field also. Thank you.